This is Friday, and there's normally here at the Mud Run Equestrian Camping area. There's usually people up here with horses, but this weekend I can't. Okay, that area's open. This one right here I like because it's like a little cove. That's open. Look at them two. They're sticking their heads out the window. Yeah, that spot there with the picnic tables, right there. You can see them picnic tables, and it says notice closed to camping. Well, that right there is another area to camp at. But I don't see a designation, so that's why they put the sign up there, closed to camping. So basically there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the one that doesn't have a post, a designation that's open. Here's that camping area over there with the picnic table. Do our little drive-through since there's no horses here. HE4. So yeah, there's 4 areas where you can camp with your horses, and then that one that's up on the hill that says closed to camping is a free camping area. But they come check. They'll fine you. So we're going back home, but I just had to check the equestrian camp out. All right, in the next one.